Hello, this is a tutorial on how to make a schema and what is a schema and what is a data dictionary and how to make a data dictionary. Firstly, a schema is a diagram consisting of a flat file relational table. A flat file is a table that is all in one. A relational table is a database of related tables. Here are some quick key terms that you need to know. A primary key is a unique identifier. A foreign key is the primary key from another table. Now here's an example of a schema from Soccer Joey's Soccer retailer. So they're basically an online website which has a database of customer details, payment details, and product. So basically it's these three main areas have been split into three tables. Customer details will be on the left, product details will be in the middle, and the final product will be in the middle, which is the payments. So IDs go first, and yeah, so create three boxes, the center one being the invoice/payment table. 5, label the unique keys. So basically label the unique keys, so these ones as primary keys, so PK, PK, yep. Label the records that are taken from the other tables in the payment tables as FK, so label the products that come from these tables to the center as FKs, as foreign keys. Draw a line from the left table from the PK to the center table that is FK. So you want to do a straight line from customer ID to customer ID from to the middle, and from your product table you want to draw a line from the product ID to the product ID in the middle, and you have to label that foreign key. Do this for the other. So ensure that you put one next to the PK and the infinity sign next to the FK, so one for every infinity. So you put one here, the infinity, my weird looking infinity sign over there, and same goes here. So you put the one sign over here and put the infinity sign over here, and you're done. Your data, no, you're done. You can use this as your data dictionary. Okay, what now? Here again is the schema, and before we get started, the data dictionary is a comprehensive description of your data and how it's going to be displayed. And here are the 5 data types. Data time for inserting the data times, Boolean, a yes or no answer, text, alphabetical numerals or other symbols such as brackets, integer numbers only, order number automatically increases by 1. Okay, so again, these are our schema, and you will need to use this for the data dictionary. Firstly, create the template for the data dictionary consisting of file name, file size, data type, data format, data dictionary description, not data dictionary description, and example. So secondly, insert your data into the dictionary by adding the respective tables in the one dictionary. Color scheme them or label them so we can differentiate them. Here is a description. So basically your field name is a specific piece of data in a record, example name, age, etc. A record is basically a collection of facts about one specific entry. As you can see highlighted in blue is a field name, and your record is the collection of facts which is highlighted in yellow. Okay. 3. Put your record name into the field name. For example, place an example customer name Jordan. For field size to be safe, type 20 as a maximum number for the name, which are the characters. Data type is text because it's all letters. No data format is required because all letters are different and not the same. The data dictionary is a summary of the field. The data description is a summary of the field. And step 4, continue this for the remaining records. Pretty easy and straightforward. So for customer details, you want to insert your customer ID here. So that's supposed to be customer ID, and the field size to be safe, the maximum of, since it is, skip that for a second. Alright, so the next one is address. To be safe, we put a maximum of 40 characters. It will be text because it will be a combination of numbers and text. No need for a data format because they're all different. Data description will be the address of the customer, and an example will be 114 Bass Road Old. You do the same for here. Now for phone number, since it has to be all the same, the field size will be consisting of 12 which will be the area code and 2 brackets, as well as the number. And for data format, since it has to all look the same, this will be what it looks like, what it should look like for every customer that enters their phone number. So it should be brackets, number, brackets close for the area code and the number. And then a description would be that, an example would be that, and C will correspond to the letters. And you'll put that to red because it's customer details, or you'll put a little text here, whatever you want. In the middle table here will be your payments, so you write payment ID, and you do that, customer ID. Since we already did it, we'll just do all that again. And for the data description, we'll just write the foreign key of the primary key. That would go, we'll do that too for the product ID and customer ID as shown here. And basically that's it. And a little mistake here, date should be under data type, it should be date/time. That's pretty much how you do your data dictionary. Just remember to use the correct types and make sure that everything is done accordingly to the instructions. And yes, that's pretty much it. Have a wonderful day, and I hope this tutorial helped. And please excuse the spelling mistakes and the errors in this video, as hopefully I have corrected them. Thank you for watching.